In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trends on X across the world. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change what you see so you can keep up with what people are talking about in different countries and globally. First, open X and make sure you're on your home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after logging in, where your timeline and the left-hand menu appear. We're going to use that menu to get into the Explore settings. Look at the left-hand column and click on Explore. This is where X highlights topics, news, and hashtags that are currently popular. Right now, what you see here is probably based on your default location and your personal activity, but we're going to change that so you can look beyond your own area. At the top of the Explore page, next to the search bar, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Explore settings panel, which controls how trends and content are selected for you. In these settings, look for the option that says Show Content in this location. If this box is checked, it means X is prioritizing content from where you are right now. Click on the checked box to turn this off. This step is important because switching it off frees you up to see trends from other locations instead of only what's local to you. Next, find the option that says Trends for You. When this box is checked, X customizes trends based on your activity, who you follow, and what you engage with. Click on the checkbox here as well to turn it off. Disabling this makes the trends you'll see more general and location-based, rather than tailored only to your profile. Now, click on Explore Locations. This is where you can choose which countries you want to see trends from. You'll see a list of locations, usually grouped by region. Scroll through and click on any specific country you're interested in. Selecting a country tells X to show you what's trending there. You can change this anytime, so feel free to experiment with different places depending on what you're researching or curious about. Once you've chosen your location, click on the back option to return to the Explore settings, and then back again to the main Explore page. From here, click on the Trending tab. This will show you the trending topics based on the location you just selected. Finally, look for the section labeled Global Trending and click on Explore under that. This lets you dive into what's trending around the world, giving you a broader view beyond any single country.